My name is Lisa Stover. My project was on Excel dashboards and how they are useful in business. My focus was on the user experience. For this project, I had to create an Excel dashboard and have a real-life Excel user test it for me and give me his opinion on its usability. The user I chose has been a manager as well as an owner of several businesses. He's also a software developer with approximately 50 years of programming experience. I started out with about 2,100 entries of raw data on the sales of a fictitious company called Spring Software. As you can see, the raw data alone in a spreadsheet does not tell you much about this company at all. Trends are impossible to discern when the information is presented this way. It needs to be shown in a manner that a user can quickly interpret what is going on. The hardest part of building the dashboard was coming up with questions about the company's performance that I wanted to answer in order to create the charts for the dashboard. I initially came up with 8 questions to answer and settled on the 6 highlighted in pink to actually use. Based off of the questions I formed, I created pivot tables to select, organize, and sort the data I needed. This helped me to make a snapshot of the specific parts of the data I wanted to analyze. From there, the pivot tables were used to create charts, which make it easier to visualize and comprehend what the data means. Some of the charts have interactive features such as slicers to see sales data from a single salesperson or buttons to change the data shown by year. Once I had all of my questions answered, I put all of the charts together and showed them to my volunteer to test. At first, I let him look at the dashboard without saying anything to watch how he instinctively interacted with it. Then I gave some specific instructions on how the interactive features worked. After a few minutes of him using the dashboard, I started asking questions such as what kind of conclusions he was able to draw about the company by studying it for only a few minutes. He responded that there was quite a bit that he was able to tell from what was shown at a glance, including who the top and bottom salespeople were. When I asked if he could see where dashboards could be valuable tools for a company, he said that they absolutely could. I asked if dashboards were something he would consider using at his own company, to which he responded that he already does. This last slide is the template of the poster I presented at the Jacksonville University Student Symposium. It was interesting to see how the other students with the same assignment use the same set of data in different ways.